What's happening, film nerds? David the Film Junkie here. Check it out, guys. First thing down below, we got some set photos from Wonder Woman, and she's in costume, but she's wearing a jacket, of course, because they're just probably trying to find somewhere. This was posted on Instagram, the Wonder Woman Instagram account. It's not the official one, I don't think, but just go check it out, guys. Let me know your thoughts about it down below. It's pretty good to see her in costume. Can't wait to see more footage. First trailer. I'm sure that's gonna be coming way later. For sure they'll probably have a trailer tied to Suicide Squad, but you never know. Could be tied to Batman vs Superman. I think it's a little too soon, unless it's like a big time fucking teaser. So you never know, guys. So go check it out. Let me know your thoughts. Talk to you later. And thank you for watching, you beautiful people. You go ahead and hit that like, thumbs up button if you'd be so kind. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Subscribe to my other channel too. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and visit filmjunkie.com for all my videos.